From start to finish, here's what you can expect during your Champion window installation. On install day, you will be greeted by our friendly Champion experts who will discuss the specifics of your project and explain their process. We encourage removal of window treatments and breakables near the area before arrival. Your install team will prepare the areas by putting down drop cloths to protect your floors from dirt and debris. We will remove your old windows completely. Once the window is removed, we will inspect for any damage and repairs needed. Next, we install your new Champion windows, ensuring a perfect fit and proper functionality. The windows are then tightly sealed and trimmed. This process is completed on all windows being replaced. Once complete, your installation team will dispose of your old windows and clean up all work areas. If your project requires multiple days of installation, you can expect the same process daily. Your install team will walk with you through your home for a final inspection to make sure everything's in perfect order, demonstrating functionality and answering any questions you may have. We take care to minimize disruptions, clean up, and haul away debris, and leave your home looking better than when we arrived.